Hi, I'm feeding the birds. We've got the rosella and the pigeon here today. They're trying to be nice to each other. Put plenty of the seed out and they'll come to you. Don't be shy. Ah, yes. You leave him have some. There's a whole pecking order with birds, and you don't appreciate it till you come out here and see the order in which they feed, and who feeds first, and who sits back and waits for the others to feed. And see, the pigeon knows that the rosella goes first. The rosellas are usually the boss ones. The pigeons just eat everything else that's left on the ground.